We all have them, right? Pieces in our closet we refuse to give up, but we just don't wear anymore. I've dug out some pieces in my closet. Maybe you remember, maybe you've never seen before because you're a bit newer to this channel or just new to this channel. And I'm gonna style them with pieces that I'm loving recently to fit more into my style now. But I don't regret buying any of these things. I know that I'll reach for them again one day. I just don't wear them as often as I used to. And this was kind of a video idea from one of you guys because of my New Balance 550s. No, I used to wear the crap out of those and now I don't. And the only reason is because I'm too lazy to tie my shoes. So let's style them today for you guys. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to our sponsor, Squarespace. I have exciting news about the straw baby tees, about my Squarespace website, so stay tuned to the end for that. Let's start with the New Balance 550s. How would I wear them now? I was gonna do close-ups of like every piece I'm talking about. I guess I will. Just like disregard how dirty these are, but you can tell they're loved. I've worn them so much. I also have them with like the navy blue accent colors because that's how much I like this shoe. I only brought these ones. I like this colorway better right now. Okay, and like this is not to say that any of these pieces are out of style or like not trendy anymore. I still see people wearing these and purchasing them. Again, I just don't wear them because look at me tying my shoes. Like you guys know with my Sambas, with my loafers. Okay, but I think if I were to, you know, actually style these today, is my camera angle okay? If I was to actually style these today and not just throw them on with like joggers or even leggings, jeans, really simple, which they go with everything, I think I would do it in this more like sporty-esque way that still isn't like, I don't know, do you get it? Do you guys get it? I actually really love this outfit, and I think the New Balances make it a lot better than like my Sambas would, so I'm really happy about this. I think I will actually like reach for these. We can do one more outfit with them because this was really easy. This little sweatshirt collar is polo sweatshirt is from the brand Elwood. It's got the logo on the back. I also have it in like a army green color. And I think I would have put that on first, but I like how the black looks. This little skirt is from Depop. I got it last summer and it just makes everything so cute. It's like preppy and comfortable because they're literally shorts with just that flap over top. They're shorts in the back and the colors just all look really good. So this is like a triple thumbs up, quite honestly. I don't even know how I'm gonna style these again right now because this is just so me and something I will definitely wear. I wanna do a video for you guys called The Outfit I Planned versus the Outfit I Wore because I think you guys would be stunned about what I actually wear in real life versus like what I show I would wear online. Yeah, okay, let's try one more outfit with these shoes. Okay, this one might be weird. I just wanna try to do something different. If my brother's watching this, I know he's so upset about me mixing like Adidas and New Balance. I've got this sweater from Cotton, another one of my like favorite small brands, spelled K-O-T-N. Their sweaters are the best. I wanted to like play with color because I know the last time I styled these shoes, like I would have considered these shoes a pop of color. And now when I look at them, they're just like a neutral to me. It's still all like muted colors, which I think go really well with the shoes. I'm not being like, oh, I have yellow shoes on, I can only wear like neutrals on top. We can wear a cranberry. My pants are navy blue. Also, at the time of wearing these shoes, I don't think I was really wearing Adidas track pants. Really only paired them with like trousers and denim, like maybe cargos, but yeah, they're cute with the Adidas track pant as well. And they're like a basketball shoe. So I think dressing them in like a sporty way, like these Adidas track pants are that like swishy basketball. It like plays into it and it's really fun. I'm like a basketball player on break during halftime, during a timeout. Let's do something else. The next one that I get questions about all the time are my peachy den pants. So I want to show you guys how I'd style them now. I'm going to show this, but I want to show you guys what I mean with these peachy den pants. These are the Peachy Den Mimis. And honestly, I just got like out of the habit of wearing them because when I was pregnant, I had gotten them in like a bigger size so I could wear them with my belly. And they were navy blue. And then I was like, oh, I really wish I had like the navy blue ones in my normal size or whatever, my not pregnant size. I like stopped wearing them just because of the color. I still love the shape. In the summer, I do wear them day to day with just like a tank top or t-shirt because they're so thin. And I feel like that's why I haven't haven't really showed them as much because they're just more of a summer pant. They are really, really thin. So if you wear them like in the winter, it's a little bit too cold. I think this is a cute outfit. I like styling them now in more of like an outdoorsy camping-esque way. And I know when I first got them, I was pairing them with like kitten heels and like an Orson Iris top and things like that, which I still think is really cute. I just don't dress like that, so I don't look at these and like think to dress them up. But if I was dressing up more often, I definitely think I would. And I think the navy blue is an easier color to dress up. These are such a weird color. They're the color Oyster, and I love the color. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the color, but it's a cool tone, and I'm so used to warm tones in my closet. Like even this brown, like maybe it looks like a cool tone, but next to this, like this looks warm, this is cool, feels right with it. I don't know. People who understand color might look at them and get it, because these almost tint like green or blue. Here's one outfit with them. I'm not like obsessed with it, but I honestly don't really wear these pants like to style them anymore. They're just kind of like stylish on their own. So I have like this cobalt blue pair. I'm gonna style those for you because I want to. I kind of feel like I have to style the other ones one more way because this outfit, I know so many people will hate, and like, I get that, but think of the occasion. Like, I like camping. Think of me camping in this. I'm gonna add a camo hat so it's more camping. Can I get it on? I think I have to leave it unsnapped in the back. This is what I wear when I go camping. These peachy den pants are my summer camping pants. You don't want to get bit by mosquitoes, but they're thin, they're airy, and they're still cute. I like cobalt blue when I wear them in this way. If I try to dress them like day to day, they almost feel like nursing pants. Just this color, like scrub. This color feels like scrubs. The oyster color does not. Yeah, when I wear these ones, I just like full out outdoorsy with my little diesel shoes that Brandon hates, my boyfriend hates, and I'm ready to go camping. Like, imagine me driving my bus in this. You guys, I'm so excited to finally take my bus camping this summer. I obviously didn't get to last summer because I was not taking a 6-month-old camping, 4-month-old, whatever. I'm not that brave. I know people can do it, I can't. I'm not styling the other ones another way. This is how I'd wear them, okay? We're being honest. You guys asked, this is why I don't show you. Okay, next we're gonna do an iconic piece that was my mom's, and it was one of the first pieces I think I ever showed on my channel because it's like what got me into fashion, I feel like. This jacket shouldn't be so hard to style. It should be really easy to style because it's literally the whole outfit, but I don't know. I like don't love it paired with jeans. I don't love it paired with black. Like the color of it, I'm like very particular with this taupe color now, this camel color. I really don't wear it that often. I don't know if it's because like I don't self tan or like go out in the sun anymore. So my skin tone, I feel like doesn't look good with it. And then like the clothes I have in my closet don't really pair that well with it. But ideally, I'm just wearing like a mini skirt or a mini dress and like the jacket's the whole outfit. That's what I want to be shown. I paired it with cowboy boots and 70s sunglasses because I like it styled in a very 70s-esque way. I have a pair of overalls that might also work with it because like, I don't know where I would go in this, like a concert maybe. I love this jacket and it was my mom's. It used to be to like ankle length and we had it hemmed because I just wasn't gonna wear it ankle length and I knew I'd wear it shorter. So I'm very happy that we hemmed it because I absolutely like love the length of it. It's hard for me to style now. I used to just pair it with jeans and like a corset and I would wear it all the time out like to the bars when I was younger, but now I don't do that. I don't know. Let's try one more way. Overalls are honestly like the only jeans I think I'd pair with this because the cut is correct for the jacket. It's like a very 70s cut. And then I paired it with my Fry boots to be like a little bit more toned down. I think it's really cute actually. I do like it with the cut of these pants just because they're shorter or something about it. My like very baggy, long, like skater-esque pants. Jeans just didn't work well, but I think that this is cute. I think the cowboy boots would also work well with it. Yeah, I like this. Okay. I found one. I still have to take my Fry boots to the cobbler though because they're way too slippery to wear in like the winter time and I want to kind of wear them as more of a winter boot, but you know, I want to wear them without the fear of slipping. So this is really cute. I like it. I'm like holding myself closed because I like how it looks better like that. And the little clasps inside of it broke. The brand of this is Marvin Richards. It's a real leather jacket, but then this is like faux fur, but It was my mom's. How many times can I say that? I like it. The sunglasses save it. Something else I struggle with that seems like easiest thing ever to style. Wait, my hair. That seems like the easiest thing ever to style is a trench coat, specifically just like a camel trench coat. It's this color, you guys. Like, I don't wear this color anymore, so it's so jarring on me. I have a pretty similar one of these, but it's a wool trench coat, which again, I'm gonna wear way more because it's warmer. This is like a thin, very springtime trench, and my wool one is black, so I wear it a lot. Like, I'm just never really reaching for this because then also a long trench is annoying if you're like driving. If you live in New York and you're wearing it, I feel like so cute and chic. One time I got called Inspector Gadget. That's triggering. I got this off eBay and it is such a classic piece, and like I do really like it that I think I'll wear it again one day, especially when I'm older. I feel like I'd wear this. I don't know, it's funny because I never would have cinched it when I first got it, and now like that's my go-to. There's really not much like styling to it, and I feel like that's another thing. It just covers your whole outfit, which I used to like when I was getting dressed like every single day for like class and stuff. If I'm getting dressed, like I want the rest of my outfit to show. I just think if I had this in black, I would wear it a lot more. I don't really want to style it another way because like the whole outfit, you don't see anything else. I tried to like do it differently with sporty underneath, and I think it's fun. It's just the color. I wish it was like blue or black, but I won't sell it and get a new one. I'm gonna keep this one and not really wear it. Okay, next, something fun. Not beige. Okay, so I was about to put these on, or put this on, my loafers, but I kind of think like if I was wearing this, I'd want to dress it down. And so if you guys know this, little pink moto jacket, I showed it in my like things I regret purchasing. I like regret it, but I don't because I'm never getting rid of it. I think it's such an iconic piece. I was just kind of upset that like I got it right when I was gonna not wear it, being postpartum. Also, right when I got it, it was like suffocation. I think I got it exactly a year ago, like February, because I styled it for my Valentine's Day outfit and last year, and those were honestly so horrible, but I was just like in such a mood to play dress up because I hadn't been able to with my like pregnant belly, and my clothes didn't really fit me correctly yet. I had a lot of pieces that I hadn't gotten to even try on because being pregnant. I look back at those outfits and like giggle because some of them are really, really bad, but I was just having fun. This is way more of a me outfit though. I look at this and I'm like, I don't regret this jacket at all. Like, this is a cool ASS outfit, and I feel like if I was doing, I don't know, something for Valentine's Day this year, this is what I would wear. But I feel like this is such like a me outfit. I am seriously obsessed with this. I'm gonna wear this jacket now this spring. Like, this outfit screams me, and this video was worth it just for this outfit. It's so cute. And for my New Balances, like I'm falling in love with my pieces I have had and haven't tried on in so long. If you guys haven't had like a date with your closet, you need to. Set aside a few hours and play dress up with your clothes. You will be so inspired. You won't have to go on Pinterest or Instagram or whatever, or watch my videos. You can come up with such cool outfits on your own. Yay, I love this. I'm gonna try and style it one more way. See, like I went to put it on and I was like, oh, it has to be dressed up because it's such a statement piece, but like this can just be like cool ass everyday piece. Okay, this outfit's a little weirder. I guess it's a more dressed up way. I think if it's like a warmer spring day, I would get away with this. Something about me is I do not see denim as a neutral. I see denim, like blue denim, I see it as blue. So I don't want to pair this baby pink with blue. Like it's too cotton candy to me. And I know that like so many people would pair any color with denim, but I wouldn't. I don't know why. So this like muted pinstripe, this little skirt is like my favorite thing ever. Pairs a lot better with it. I think these muted colors just go a bit better together, in my opinion. Maybe like a light wash denim I would pair with it. That's like very neutral, but the denim I have with me right now is a more like medium tone blue. So that just like feels wrong. I've been so into color recently, and that's really how I pair a lot of my outfits. It doesn't have much to do with like silhouette or material or stuff like that. And then for some reason, the cowboy boots and like a moto jacket go together for me. If I'm thinking of a moto jacket in a NASCAR way, I know I'm seeing cowboy boots at NASCAR. That's like a southern thing. I don't know. I've never been. And then also like black cowboy boots, if we're thinking of it as like a motorcycle-y way, it's giving very Harley Davidson. I think even my moto boot would look really cute with this, but I don't have them here. Honestly, my moto boot would look better with this. I didn't bring them because I find them a little bit interchangeable with the cowboy boot. Imagine this with my moto boot. It's better, right? But this still is super cute. I'm so happy about this. I love this, and it's not restricting anymore, and I can breathe in it. Yay. Okay, one more. I got some questions about my Nike P6000s. I wear them all the time, day to day still. I just don't really style them. So I guess I'll give you guys an outfit, but I mostly just wear them with like joggers and a hoodie and like call it a day. So this is one of my other go-to ways to wear them if I'm not, you know, just being super comfortable. I like to wear them in a wrong shoe theory kind of way. I think they're the perfect shoe for that. I like that. I'm gonna be so annoying. I like that not a lot of people have them. I've seen them one time in real life in Chicago, and the girl was really cool. So then it inspired me to actually put them on and wear them more. But with a suit pant, a sweater, the P6000s, I love it. They are the comfiest shoes in the entire world. Comfier than my New Balances, comfier than my Asics. These, if you want a good pair of walking shoes, that's the other thing. Like these are my dog walking shoes. They're the best. Pinstripe pants I wear all the time now. So funny. I used to have a pair of pinstripe trousers and then I got rid of them because I was sick of seeing myself in them. And then I wanted them back and I didn't have them, but Peachy Den came out with a pair and now I wear them all the time again. So I feel like my old self is coming through. Yay. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can totally do this type of video again. Leave a comment below if you are an old time subscriber of piece in my wardrobe that you guys missed that I don't show anymore, because I would love to, if I still have it, bring it out and style it for you guys in a more 2024 Lainey way or just 2024 trends way. With that being said, let's get into our sponsor, Squarespace. I have some exciting news about my Squarespace website. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time, all in one place, all on your terms. Squarespace made building my online store a breeze. We sold out of our straw baby tees in under 10 minutes. And after we were able to see what sizes sold out first, where a majority of our website visits were from, and how visitors navigated the site. With this information from our small test drop, Brandon and I are able to make the small changes to ensure our next fulfillment will be that much better. And stay tuned for our next drop and a super secret 300,000 subscriber giveaway on the site. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. Use your insights to grow your business, learn where your site visits and sales are coming from, and analyze which channels are most effective. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code LaineyOzark. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.